fela ba mmitša mapena Other this world there bagena Back at the day sijo go sa tumile khavela Many men ba palla go shela Playboy ke betshwa ka pendlena ke tshwere meshe go shotha matlera Breakfast cherry ya mo rapper Kenyaga man I'm too fun Me and Mesh we run Sauda you coming Kenyaga man I'm too fun
Hey Bafethu, it's your boy Makathini uXolixapasha Tona Songeni Bafethu. My brother, today I'm here with
Mr. Dlwathi, aka Thombe.
Dlwathi, aka Thombe the Beast. But so Dlwathi, what is your love language? Like Xhosa, Zulu, what is your love?
No, my love language is someone who is intelligent. Yeah, but someone who romantic, likes romance a lot. Bafethu, yeah, Bafethu.
Romance a lot. Siyakuzwa Dlwathi. So right now nje ubume nami ukhuluma kanje, ukhuluma nokukhuluma insango.
Mina I'm always so minded mfana yabo into ehleze ngipho amandla kazini yabo uthi I drink tea every day whether it's summer whether it's winter whether it's autumn yabo whether it's spring bafethu ayithola lento njalo hayi I always drink tea bangivuke ekseni bese ngiyageza ngiqale ngiyageza bese bangiphume endlini ngiphuze linye itiye futhi that's why ngine energy ayibo
okay baba somenya kuzwa so today udleni mnandi
today ngidle mnandi ngidla ama leftovers wayizolo lapha endlini ayithola
bokuyini baphekeni endlini
bathe fish yakhona le bathini stew yabo bahlaba ngegoji
kanti-ke maye bafu uyazichamisa bayachamisa
7 colors hayi sometimes kuba ne-service yakho leyo esikhashanyana uyayisevisa wena leso sikhashanyana manje angithi ukenela afike nakhona yabo ukhanya vele is my girlfriend yabo sina 2 years sijola yabo
so we don't care my man I'm sorry that you love her what up the other we don't care my man I'm sorry it's just like I asked you okay thank you for I'm back now I'm not disrespecting okay yabo so bafo uprefera ingcosi yakho ye-house ibe gay or yensazi ibe sifebe
I don't prefer anything from that because that thing is bullshit nje mfethu yabo wonke lezo zinto lezo uyishoyo that is bullshit bro uthama yabona hayi angiprefer ukuthi abe gay nakhona amaka gay human dignity yakho asabi khona nje mfethu yabona manje hayi for example ngizalwa namakhosi ngizalwa ebukhosini manje umntanami sakazoba isifebe avulela wonke umuntu kanti ngifuna abe virgin akhula i virgin ngoba manje hayi